Are N8n or Microsoft Power Automate scams? Let's get this straight, absolutely not. Both platforms are legit, enterprise-grade automation tools in 2026, and both are growing like crazy. N8n just hit a $2.3 billion valuation and powers thousands of companies. Power Automate? It's in the heart of Microsoft 365, used by millions worldwide. But here's the real question. Which one should you trust with your business automation? If you're a developer, or you love having full control, think self-hosting, total data privacy, and building complex AI workflows, N8n is gonna feel like home. You get transparent, run-based pricing, and yes, you can build wild, AI-driven automations without worrying about surprise bills. But if your team lives in Outlook, Teams, SharePoint, or Excel, and you want something no-code that's IT approved, Power Automate just makes sense. It's baked into the Microsoft ecosystem. The learning curve is gentle. And for most business users, it just works. Here's the quick reality check. N8n is a technical powerhouse, but it's not for beginners. You'll need to be comfy with JSON, APIs, and some JavaScript to unlock its full potential. But the payoff? You're not getting nickel and dimed for every fancy connector or AI task. Power Automate is friendly, until you hit the infamous premium connector wall. Need to connect to SQL, HTTP, or certain other apps? Boom, the price jumps. And those fees can add up fast, especially for big teams. Security-wise, Power Automate gives your IT department all the controls they crave. Centralized permissions, audit logs, the works. With N8n, you get ultimate data sovereignty, but you'll need a sharp DevOps team to keep things secure and running smooth. Bottom line, neither is a scam. If you want raw power and flexibility and you have the skills, N8n is your playground. If you want corporate safety and easy integration, Power Automate